Guys, I'm Prerna. Welcome. Today I'm recreating this Deepika Padukone inspired hairdo. This kind of hairdo is perfect for occasions when you don't want hair to be falling on your face. You want to be carefree, especially with Navratri and Garba around. I think such hairstyles are perfect for these kind of events. Also, I like to do this hairstyle when my hair is in a messy condition, they are not washed. Just put them in a bun and you are sorted. I'm starting with applying some dry shampoo onto the front section of the hair. I have an oily scalp and these are my second day washed hair. The dry shampoo will reduce the oiliness of the hair, thereby giving them some texture, and the hairstyle will stay for longer. This dry shampoo is by Soap & Glory, but any dry shampoo available with you will do. I highly recommend using dry shampoo when doing this hairstyle because my experience says that dry shampoo helps to keep the poof in place. The bottle says to keep it 15 cm away and spray on the roots of the hair. Once you've sprayed it on the scalp, just massage the roots. This will help in absorption of extra oil on the scalp, making your hair feel freshly washed, and especially for my oily scalp girls, this step is a must. Now take a fine tooth comb and back comb the front section of the hair where the poof will begin. I don't recommend very rigorous back combing as it can cause breakage when you comb your hair the next time. Just like I'm doing, back comb your hair with a soft hand so that the poof looks dense and you don't see hair separations in the middle, if you know what I mean. Then I'm taking the front section and pinning them in a poof, and this is the moment when all the hard work of putting dry shampoo and back combing will pay off. Raising it to the height I desire and pinning the poof. Now I'm taking the sides and pinning them again loosely to give a poof effect all around the hairline and not just on the top. I'm repeating the same on the other side. Girls, you have to be a little patient while creating this because the front part around the hairline is the game changer. So when setting the poof with pins, you must ensure that the sides and the top sections are merged into one another instead of looking like you did the top and the sides separately, which we are obviously doing, but we have to make it look like it's a same thing. Now I'm slightly combing this poof just to merge the sides with the hair and ensuring that we cannot see any parting. Slightly pull some hair pieces from the poof if you see a gap or space, and you are through with the front part. Now I'm taking a small section of the hair that was left around the ear and pinning it in a similar way like we did in the last steps. Now take all the hair into a ponytail very gently because we don't want to disturb the poof which we created for ours. No, just kidding, it took us few minutes. And there we can see some hair standing at the back. Don't worry, once the bun is ready, we are going to pin these flyaways. I'm now ensuring that the pony is tight and the poof is in its place. If you feel the poof has gone a little flat, just pull small sections of hair very gently like I'm doing here and it will all look good. Pin wherever you feel there is a gap, just hold two pieces of the hair together and pin it. Now you can leave it like this if you want a pony look. for the bun, start rolling the pony into a bun, then pinning it. Once this was ready, honestly guys, I wasn't satisfied with the bun and I felt I was using too many hairpins. So I went back to my tried and tested bun creation method. I have shared how to use this clip many times on my channel. It is linked in the description box as well, just in case if you wish to check it out again. Here I'm rolling my hair in the clip and clipping them. Since I have layers in my hair, you can see small pieces tucking out. I'm fixing them with a bobby pin for a clean look. We are through with the bun now. I'm wearing my earrings and then we will set the hair with a hairspray. This is optional. I use it because my hair don't stay in place till I use a hairspray. Here is the final look, girls. When you compare this hairdo with Deepika's, you'll notice my poof isn't that high as hers. This is a personal preference and I feel this height of the poof suits me, but you can take it higher. All the steps shall remain same. Just increase the height of the poof when you are pinning it. That is it, girls. This hairdo is perfect even for office and with modern contemporary outfits. So do give this a try and share your experiences in the comment section. Give a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe, please. I'll see you very soon. Bye, girls.